Want a tighter, flatter stomach without endless sit-ups or expensive gym memberships? You're not alone. Many people struggle with finding the time, motivation, and resources to achieve their fitness goals. Traditional methods can be daunting and often lead to frustration. But don't worry, you're in the right place. We're diving into a simple yet powerful exercise that can be done anywhere, anytime. The plank hold is a versatile and effective way to strengthen your core without the need for fancy equipment or a gym membership. Imagine sculpting your core and feeling amazing with just a few minutes of effort each day. The plank hold targets multiple muscle groups, helping you achieve a toned and strong midsection. This is about working smarter, not harder. By incorporating the plank hold into your routine, you can maximize your results without spending hours at the gym. We're going to unlock your inner strength with an exercise that's perfect for everyone, no matter your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the plank hold can be modified to suit your needs. Let's get started and transform your core together. Get ready to meet your new favorite exercise, the plank hold. This simple yet effective move is a staple in many fitness routines for a reason. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This move is a core powerhouse. It targets not just your abs, but also your shoulders, back, and glutes, making it a full-body workout. Start by getting down on the floor on all fours. Make sure you have a comfortable mat to support your wrists and knees. Position your hands directly beneath your shoulders, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This ensures stability and proper alignment. Step your feet back, one at a time, until your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and keep your hips level to avoid sagging or arching your back. Hold this position, focusing on maintaining a straight line and steady breathing. Start with 20, 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as you build strength. Now that you're in plank position, let's talk about engaging your core muscles effectively. This is where the magic truly happens. Imagine someone is about to lightly poke you in the stomach. Brace those muscles tightly. Keep your back flat, avoiding any sagging or arching. Your body should resemble a strong, straight plank of wood. Hold this position, breathing deeply and feeling your core muscles working hard. How long should you hold the plank? This is a common question for anyone starting their fitness journey. The plank is a fantastic exercise that targets your core, shoulders, and even your glutes. It's simple yet incredibly effective. If you're just starting, aim for 20 seconds. This might not seem like a long time, but it's a great starting point. Holding a plank for 20 seconds allows you to focus on maintaining proper form without overexerting yourself. As you get stronger, increase your hold time by 5 to 10 seconds each time. Gradual progression is key to building strength and endurance. Don't rush it. Listen to your body and give it time to adapt. Feel free to challenge yourself. Pushing your limits is how you grow. Try setting small, achievable goals and celebrate each milestone. Maybe aim for 30 seconds, then 45, and so on. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Proper form ensures you're getting the most out of the exercise and prevents injury. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engage your core, and don't let your hips sag. It's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter time than to compromise your form for a longer hold. Consistency and correct technique will yield better results in the long run. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Rest is just as important as the exercise itself. If you feel any pain or discomfort, stop and reassess your form. You've got this. Let me know how you're finding the plank hold in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable, and sharing your experience can inspire others on their fitness journey. I'm excited to hear about your progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Celebrate your achievements and keep pushing forward. Don't forget to share this with a friend who'd love a stronger core too. Working out with a buddy can be motivating and fun. Let's build a community of strength and support together.